All right, guys, here we are, Shadow Hobbies, and we're about to go over the new Super BAJA REY. Yeah, I had to look at the box to get the name. Sorry, it's early in the morning. I'm trying to do this before I open. I'm always in a rush, you know that. So real quick, this is a nice, roughly 1/7 scale truck. Might be a 1/6 scale, 6th scale. Underneath, we got a service store to get to the pinion gear and the spur gear to adjust it. I do believe this model has the little pin setups, which I don't like because you can't pick and choose your gearing if you want to kind of split a gear. Get a little light on the subject here. It has EC5 connectors to run 2 batteries or 1 battery. You can run 4S, 6S, 5S, I guess, if you wanted to. There's a battery door on the bottom here, which I spotted. I can't take the body off because they don't make it easy enough to do that, but and I don't feel like taking apart a car that could potentially sell. But the battery door is here. There's some foam in there. Aluminum body shocks. It's got rubber bump stops on it, if you could see that. Plastic housing, differential housing, one-piece housing. Plastic trailing arms, look like they're pretty heavy duty here. The upper support radius rods are aluminum. Race car business, we call them radius rods. What do you want me to tell you? It's got like a disc brake, a little fake disc brake thing here, which is, I guess, kind of cute, but for me, useless. In the back, we have about a 5-inch light bar, which is kind of cool. The fake fan shrouds, all right, they're hiding some wiring. Man, this thing's a beast. A nice, looks like about, I'd say that's about 8 inches. Yeah, about 8-inch bar across here. How to do a comparison. And there's actually on the back here a spare tire, and it does come off. I kind of peeked earlier. I cheated, sorry. And got some little men inside here. I can see the speed control right in the middle there. What else real quick? Let's take a look at the front. Heavy duty A-arms here, one piece. Sway bars in the rear, on the front rather, not in the rear though. Steel axles, front and rear. The bearing carrier is plastic, along with the steering arms. Plastic drive shafts, steel knuckles. I mean, it's built pretty good. I'm sure guys are going to be changing these tires up pretty fast. They feel like they're pretty hard, so I'm sure it'll take some high speed. It claims 50 miles an hour, so I'm sure that'll be broken real quick. Not a bad truck. I mean, it's pretty solid. Losi makes good stuff, you know, they always have. So, not a bad deal. I'm not sure on the price. I didn't even look in my thing, to be honest with you. But like I said, I only had a few minutes. I wanted to just throw this out there. I got them here. Whatever the map is, we're usually within 10 bucks of map or so. And it comes with a toolkit. It's a pretty neat little vehicle. I'll give it kind of a once over here with the camera so you guys get a really good inside look at it. It's not too bad. I don't know why I didn't do this with some of the other vehicles, but I'm doing it now. So you get a nice inside look. Hang on a sec, I'll get a view of the bottom here and get some light on this. There we go. Little light there. All right, get a look at the rear. Want to see the shop? Yeah, if you've never been to the shop, this is one crowded mother. Wow, what do we have there? A Revo that I can't sell. I could sell those though. My dozer. And that's the rest of the shop over there. We do have a basement where we keep the paints and bodies, and this is the back end of it. I'm trying to be steady here, but it's not easy. So that's another close-up look. This is the second recording I'm doing. The first disc kind of corrupted, so that's it, guys. I gotta go get ready to open the store up. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta do all that happy horse stuff. That's it from Shadow Hobbies. Peace out. If you like it, give us a like, man. Share it, subscribe, do what you gotta do. If you don't like it, hey, too bad. Don't give me a thumbs down. That's the pussy's way out. See you later, guys. I'm out.